welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm super excited for today's video because what we have in front of us is the MAPerformance catback exhaust. Check this out. You can order the system based on the modifications you have on your car. You can pair this with factory front pipe or aftermarket front pipe. Since I got the street configuration, the exhaust system came with this muffler. If for some reason you want to go louder with the car and you want to switch to the race version, you have the flexibility to do so. You would essentially just order and replace this part only. You wouldn't have to do the entire installation all over again. Initial impression was, wow, this thing is loud. Going from the stock exhaust with just the muffler delete, it is a significant increase in the level of sound. But shortly after that, my impression changed drastically. I guess my ears got used to it really quick, and the exhaust did get quieter after it broke in. But yeah, I want to say that the exhaust completely changed the sound of the car. Rolling through the gears, there's a deep tone to it. Like, here's what I mean. The best thing about it is it pops in between shifts. Above 3000 RPMs, this thing just wakes up. It's loud. But if you're just driving around normally and keeping the revs low, there isn't any drone. Highly recommend getting this exhaust if you are looking for that OEM plus sound. This is like a happy medium. Oh, I also do want to talk about the fitment. The shop that installed the exhaust, they told me the fitment was spot on. There was no issues with it. So MAPerformance, good job on that. The only thing they did mention though, clamps that were provided with the system were a little weak, and apparently one of them broke off. Yeah, that's just a minor issue. That's not a big deal at all. Hopefully this video helps you decide on an exhaust if you are shopping for one. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you with the next one.